minutes left over a 3-hour drive. How you feeling?
I'm excited. Stretch my legs. 3 hours is a long time to be sitting.
Yeah, that will feel nice. All right, see you when you get there.
We just arrived at the tiny house. Let's go in.
Exciting. Oh, it smells like wood. It's so cute.
Here it is. We got a little bathroom. Let's just check it out first. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Notes, a little kitchen area. Keurig, that's gonna be important.
Always gotta have our coffee.
And here's the bedroom. Actually, this is pretty big.
Yeah. It's a decent size. The bed is very tall. If you hold this and then look at my height in comparison. I'll have to jump up into that. Oh, look how she put out chocolates for us. I'm excited. A few days in our little tiny house. To ourselves.
Oh, I found the little fridge. Oh, with snacks.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so kind of her. Aw.
Cheese, blueberry muffins.
Oh, that's so sweet. The bathroom's nice too. Nice big shower. Oh, and she supplied it with them too. Just like the suite did. Cool. Alright, stay tuned for more videos in the tiny home. Good afternoon. I'm going to do a quick review of the back deck for you guys. We have a little grilling area over here. This is the fireplace. You'll see that later on. It does have fairy lights in the tree in little like mason jars. Again, I'll try to get a video of that at night for you guys as well. And then they have some wraparound lights on the deck as well. Nice sitting area. And what's for lunch?
I got chicken bacon ranch pizza from Francesca's Pizza in town.
Gonna bring it down to the second level for you, or lower level at the yard. We have a shed over here. Just has extra supplies and stuff. They use it for their personal storage as well. Hydrangea tree over here. Okay, and the best part about coming in the fall is the scenery. So we have the mountains behind us. Actually, kind of all around us, we have mountains. And it's just kind of a beautiful location, nice quiet neighborhood. And we have the basketball court across the street, a little park across the street as well. So yeah, that's our little review of the backyard. Pretty big space back here in the little deck.
After spending a couple days in the city, we are now at the tiny house where we get to relax, have a good time, and unwind a little bit. After the first night sleeping here, it was very comfortable and I feel very much refreshed. And I've noticed that it's very much the little things that really matter, like this old recliner. It is so comfy. I have not left it other than to go to bed and go to the bathroom. Like, I've been sitting in this chair for 2 days now. It's great. Keeping with the tiny theme, I got a joke for you. Megan, come here. I want to get your reaction.
Gosh. Alrighty.
What washes up on tiny beaches?
Pebbles.
No.
What?
Microwaves.
Good one. We are a little over a mile in. We got almost a mile to go. And I'm pooped. But I wish I could capture how pretty this actually is, because the camera doesn't do it justice, but it still looks good.
We are almost to the top. We've climbed 785 feet so far. The trails have been clearly marked, making it really easy to make our way to the summit. See you when we get there. Just a quick PSA. If you're gonna take a hike in the fall, be mindful of wet leaves on rocks. They are like ice. We made it to the top of Brownlee Mountain. It took us 1 hour to do 1.8 miles of trail and a total elevation of 900 feet. Check out this view. It's been a few days since we left the tiny house, so now I figured it would be a good time to give you guys a review.
One of the reasons we chose the tiny house was because we knew it was going to be relaxing. Our host was very welcoming, and she made it feel like we were at home.
We really appreciated that she gave us homemade blueberry muffins, homemade jam. She provided us with cheese and water and, most importantly, coffee.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Kitty.
Hey, Nimbus, we're trying to film a review.
Come on. No coffee.
The bathroom was nice. It was surprisingly large for a tiny house. I really enjoyed having the Dove products in the shower. The product's pretty nice.
My only complaint comes from the bathroom, only because I'm really picky about my showers. And so the water pressure wasn't as strong as I'd like it, but it was still good.
It was good enough.
Yeah.
I also like having a more shower pressure. If I were to recommend any changes, I would suggest putting like a 27-inch or a 32-inch TV on the wall, a smart TV, so we could stream Adventures with Me on YouTube. The back patio area was very nice. The fairy lights added a nice touch. But we went in October, so we couldn't really use the grill. Kind of cold. Didn't feel like using the grill.
Yeah, but we were able to use the fire pit, and we made a nice fire, and we were able to make s'mores, so.
Good s'mores.
Our host also provided us with a list of recommendations on activities to do locally in the area, as well as eateries. And we were able to enjoy 2 of the places that she recommended to eat at. And we also hiked Bramley Mountain, as you would have seen in the clip before this. And we would love to go back to try the rest of the recommendations, especially the hiking trails.
Overall, we gave the tiny house off 10 a 5-star review on Airbnb. I wouldn't recommend it for a large family, but for the 2 of us, it was very nice, very comfortable. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We will link the tiny house off a 10 in the description below for you to check it out for yourselves. And until next time, bye guys.